Enhancing your teaching with images can significantly improve student engagement and understanding. As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. CodeKidz provides several easy and effective ways to incorporate images into your course content. This video will give you a quick overview of these methods. First, direct drag and drop. Simply drag an image from your computer directly into the text area to upload and add it to your course content. Second, dialog box drag and drop. You can also drag images generated by AI or other sources from a dialog box into the text area. Third, whiteboard copy function. After creating a drawing on the whiteboard, you can use the Copy to Clipboard option from the menu. Then, press Ctrl+V to paste the image directly into your text. These methods make it easy to enrich your course materials with visual aids, enhancing the learning experience for your students.